The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a flash flood warning for a dam failure in northwestern DeSoto County and northwestern Mississippi until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, law enforcement reported that dam failure is imminent at 7290 Austin Road, Lake Cormorant, Mississippi, and will cause flash flooding downstream of the dam. Hazard: flash flooding from a dam failure. Source: law enforcement. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, including Johnson Creek, streets and structures, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas between Austin Road and Star Landing Road in DeSoto County. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.